Hi, hello, this is Lucky sir. This is Alan's paper, final JEE main examination held on 28th June from our inside after NTA key. So this paper already we have discussed, I think few questions, some 4 or 5 questions we may missed. Once we'll check whether we have covered these questions or not. Compound A, 8.7% hydrogen, this question we made. And the answer also we got the correct answer there. Consider the following statements. The principal quantum number n is a positive integer with values of 1 to 3. This is the right statement. The azimuthal quantum number L for a given n can have values. This is wrong statement. It is up to n minus 1. So B is wrong. Magnetic quantum number can have 12 plus 1 values. This is right statement. Plus half are the two possible plus and minus of 2 orientation of electron spin. This is right one. L is equal to 5. 9 orbitals is wrong. It will be 11. L is equal to 0, 1 orbital. L is equal to 1, 3 orbitals. 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9 and 5, 11. It is S orbital, it is P orbital, it is D orbital, it is F orbital, so on. So it should be 11. So the question is, answer is C. A, C, D correct. That means B and E are option wrong. In the structure of SF4, the lone pair of electrons, correct. ये question हम पढ़े थे. I don't want to waste your time. I just wanted to make it in 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, now as soon as possible. A student needs to prefer buffer solution. ये भी हम question करे थे. Maybe some values here and there, but we did this question. Negatively charged salt, macromolecular colloids. This is also we have done. Correct answer we did, of course. Match the following. Cl2O7 is acidic, Na2O is basic, Al2O3 is amphoteric and N2O is neutral. This was also there. FeOSiO2 gang and flux, this question was also there, right? Answer D, gang and slug, this is there. I was telling you about flux and all also. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, protium, deuterium, tritium. They have nearly same, this question was also there. They have different among the following basic oxide is calcium oxide is basic oxide. This question also we were discussing. Most of our memory based questions are right only. Among the given oxides of nitrogen, this was I was telling you there, if you remember, otherwise you just go and check there. I was telling you N2O is having N and N. Okay, this is also N bond only. There is no need to consider single bond. So the answer will be N2O, N2O3, N2O4 except N2O5, because in N2O5 there is NON bond. So answer 3 correct. You can check this question I was telling you in detail. H2S2O3, it's having a different structure like this. In here, sulfur bond is there, where this sulfur is with -2 state and this sulfur is with +6 state. Photochemical smog, this question we were discussing. This is unsaturated hydrocarbons. IUPAC name, this question we missed, I think. First one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. There are several carbons. Hept, 6th carbon nitro, 6 carbon nitro over. Okay, here 2 nitro is there, so this is wrong. And here 6 formyl is there, so this is also wrong. 2 nitro. And here nitro, 2 nitro is wrong, so this is your answer. Very simple. This question we were doing, and this will be the product. Cl2, A question we am kar rahe the. If you take this one, first it forms CH2Br, which converts CH to Cn, which converts CH to COH. These questions were there in our memory based question paper also. Isobutyraldehyde on reaction with formaldehyde K2CO3 compound, A reacts with KCN yields B, which on hydrolysis gives stable compound, C the stable compound. A B हम कर रहे थे. This is ester formation. So we had very good memory actually. With respect to the following reaction, consider the given statements. HNO3, H2SO4 when you are taking paranitro and metanitro. This I was telling you, this is 51%, this is 47%. So this is right. And H2SO4 acts as an acid, HNO3 functions like base. Remember this, this is one interesting point. So B and D are right statements. Given below are two statements. One is assertion, second is reason. Natural double A question B हम देखे थे. This question is also right. A is true but R is false. When sugar, this question is also there in our paper. Sucrose on diluted state for solution, it forms A and B. One is glucose, second is fructose. This is glucose, second is fructose. And then HNO3 yields saccharic acid. This question we did, and this was the first question I think in the paper. This was our first question, so we did this one also. 100 grams of an ideal gas is kept in a cylinder of 416 volume, 27 degrees Celsius under 1.5. If I'm not wrong, we did this question also. It was there in memory. Easy question only. For combustion of 1 mole of magnesium in an open container at 300 K and 1 bar pressure, delta H is given. And what is asking is the magnitude of change in internal energy for the reaction. A question we did there. You can check. 2.5. This question also, glycine question we did. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. That's why I'm taking these questions very fast. If any question we missed, I want to cover that question. That's my intention. Okay, try to understand. For given reactions, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 4, E naught of these are given. The magnitude, and he is asking Sn plus 4 by Sn. So this is delta G question. As I told you, delta G1, delta G2, delta G3 number. You need to multiply with the number of. Here you see 4 electrons are there, so you are multiplying with 4. 2 electrons you are multiplying with 2. Here also 2 electrons you are multiplying. You are going to multiply with 2. 16. I think this question we were missing there. This is one interesting question you can see. Sn plus 2 to S. This is Sn plus 2 to Sn minus 0.4. And whatever the value is there, you need to multiply by 2 because here 2 electrons are involved. And here plus 4 to 0, so here multiplying with 4. And then you can apply Hess law. Okay, now in number of steps is equal to multiple steps, you will get the answer. Okay, this question we were missing in that one. A radioactive element has half-life of 200 days after 83 days. This question I think we made something different. Okay, now we made some different form of question. Here you see 200 days half-life. Is asking for 83 days. That means less than half-life. So for that, the formula is T is equal to T half by 0.3 log A naught by A. Okay. Antilog of values are given and everything is mentioned here. Based on this, you can use K is equal to log A by A minus 6. By solving this, you will be getting here 75. This question we were missing in our regular. FeCN6, this question we did. Number of paramagnetic complexes. We were discussing in detail about this one. This question I think we missed. COCl3 4 ammonia. COCl3 4 ammonia means ammonia, 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 and ammonia. For example, like this, chlorine, chlorine, and one chlorine will be outside. When it is like this, you can see whatever line I made. 2 chlorines are side by side. You can say this is cis form, like that. You can write cis and transfer only this. 5 ammonias are there, 6 ammonias are there, 5. When 5 or 6 ammonias are there, there is no chance of showing any. The complete, this question was there. Very simple question, you see. 0.492 grams of an organic compound containing CH and O. 0.793 grams of CO2, 0.442 grams of water. First, you need to find out what is the mass of carbon in that. Moles of carbon dioxide, then into 12. You got this mass. Moles of hydrogen, then mass. So these two mass, if you are adding, the remaining mass is oxygen mass. The remaining oxygen is 0.227 out of 0.492. So percentage is 46.13. This question we missed in that list, I think, if I am not wrong. You can see this question we did allylic bromination. Here bromine will come. Okay, so number of atoms will be same. This is again N1V1 is equals to N2V2. This question we made there. Remember KMNO for molarity and normality, the difference will be 5 times. 0.01 means this is 0.05 normality. And more salt purpose, you can take as it is. Okay, so 0.01 into 5, you can make it 30 ml. So this question was there, we did. Okay, we'll check all the question papers, all the 12 question papers like this only. Signing off, Lucky sir.